But the big weekend of Welsh sport got off to a great start last night. Jonny Clayton claimed the Premier League darts title at his first attempt. He beat Jose de Sousa 11-5 in last night's final in Milton Keynes. He's had some season. Won his first televised PDC title earlier this year in the Masters. Got through into the Premier League, and now he's won it. £250,000 first prize too. Dylan Williams is from the Darts Cymru online social media blog. Good morning.
Morning, Ollie. How are you? Okay?
Well, yeah, very good. I'm chuffed to bits for Jonny Clayton, to be honest. It said earlier, he still works as a plasterer for Carmarthenshire Council. He looks and sounds like Mr. Carmarthen. It's sort of bedded in his community. And he's achieved this on the highest stage. It's some achievement, isn't it?
Oh, it's massive for Jonny, and there are so many headlines from the campaign. In winning the Masters, he achieved the 10th and final spot to get into the tournament. He was also the lowest ranked player in the event. He also, clinched the last playoff space in the final game of the regular season, and in doing that, he was the first Welshman to make the last four. So heading into last night, he was going to play Michael van Gerwen, somebody who he had a good record against, but MV had never lost a Premier League semi-final. So in doing so, Jonny's ticked another milestone off a brilliant sort of darting year for him.
Yeah, and it's not a flash in the pan because he's had a brilliant year and he won the Masters and now he's won this. But I see an opportunity here, not only for Jonny Clayton, but for Gadwin Price as well, in that there's a changing of the guard, it seems to me, in world darts. Michael van Gerwen isn't the force that we thought he used to be, that we thought he was going to be for a long time. The big established stars like Peter Wright's had a poor year, Gary Anderson hasn't come through. There's an opportunity here, isn't there now, for someone to take this game by the scruff of the neck?
Oh, definitely. I'd completely agree, Ollie. It's probably the golden era for Wales in darting terms as well. You've got Gerwin as world champion and world number one. Wales are world team champions. I know Jonny is the Masters and the Premier League champion. And like you say, that there is definitely guard. I think maybe the lack of fans has had an effect on certain players. As you said with Michael, I think something reignited this week, the return of fans. But I think, we've seen from Gadwin Price's social media, he's absolutely chomping at the bit to get back. He'll be in just under time, and he's going to want to put his stamp on the game because he hasn't played in front of fans for nearly 15 months now, and he'll want to show off why he became world champion in January.
Yeah, the times are good. Thank you very much, Dylan Williams, on Jonny Clayton, who won the Premier League darts last night.